Okay guys, so I'm just gonna get right into it right now. Jalen came home. She's been needing a new car for a while because she has a stick shift and she's getting surgery on her left leg, so she's not gonna be able to drive stick anymore. So she has to find a car, and she's been wanting to get something that's performance worthy. And when we went to the meet this weekend, she was like, man, I really want, we were looking at the certain car, I'm not gonna tell you what it is quite yet. We were looking at the certain car and she was like, we couldn't, that deal ended up falling through, she couldn't get it. We went to the meet, she's like, man, I really wish I would have been able to get that car because I want something that's safe and reliable and cheap, but yet I can take to car meets and show off. And some of you guys might, I don't know how you guys can feel about this car. Some people like it, some people hate it. I love these cars. I'm about to show you what it is. She came home and said she had a terrible day and just wanted to go for a drive. I said, all right, we'll just go for a drive, you know, whatever. She came home and I started my truck and she said, do you want to take your truck or do you want to take my car? 2008 Impala SS. 5.3 liter V8. Looks real good. It's in black. There's the lady herself. Let me go take it somewhere so you guys can see how it is. All right, here she is. 2008 Impala SS. 5.3 liter V8. LS4. Oh, you can't see crap, hold on. Sounds good, runs pretty good, healthy. It's got 122,000 miles on it. Like I said, black. I love the black ones. Dual exhaust. It's perfect because it like kind of blends in, but if you know, you know. Like, you know what it is. Got new tires, 303 horsepower, perfect for her. This is literally Jalen's car. We test drove one like 2 weeks ago. He was gonna buy it, but it fell through, and like literally the way it was, like she was driving it and the SS badge behind her, all black interior, it just suited her really well. And like I said, she just literally came home today and we've been talking about looking at cars for her, and she was telling me all day that she found this one and it, like, the deal broke through and somebody already bought it and she just drove there for nothing. And then all day she was telling me she had a bad day, and I didn't know if something fishy was going on, but let me tell you, something fishy was going on, boys. Now she can take the car to meets. You already know pretty soon here when we get the funds, we're gonna straight pipe it. The mufflers are coming off, we don't need those. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, I'm excited. I am definitely excited. That is awesome. Got the SS on the back, sorry. All black interior. It's pretty nice in here too.
I'm gonna do full.
Huh?
I'm gonna do full throttle.
Full throttle?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do a full throttle. You say so. Ooh. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Dang, son. Okay, okay. How's it driving the highway? Is it good?
Yeah.
Nice and smooth?
Yeah.
It does have 4-cylinder deactivation mode, which honestly in a car is perfect. Like my truck, it's stupid because it can't keep up with the dang thing, especially with like the Duratrax on it and everything. But in a car, it's perfect because it's so freaking light. It's not hard at all. So are you happy?
I am. I really love it.
This is your car, guy. This is literally your car. This is half throttle. Okay, maybe a quarter throttle. And it doesn't even have to rev very high. It just goes like 3 grand. These motors are detuned. So pretty much they put like V6 transmissions behind them. So in order to like not kill the transmission in the car, these motors are LS4s and they're 5.3 liter, they're only 303 horsepower. So like they have much more potential to go, but they're detuned. So like this motor is gonna be torquey, and I don't think you're gonna have any issue with reliability on the motor itself, let's put it that way. Honestly, I love the spoilers on these things too, to be completely honest.
Oh.
My girlfriend owns a faster car than I do. We gotta race that in the truck. I don't know who would win. Comment down below who you think would win. My truck or the SS?
It's all about the driver, so it's
Got a point there. Alright guys, so I want to do a little talking here before I end the video. I know what some of you guys are thinking. Oh my god, you bought a front wheel drive V8. Or she bought a front wheel drive V8. Big whoop. A lot of people call these cars junk. And I know why they say that. I think this is a perfect car for her because she needs something that isn't too expensive. Needs something that's good on insurance. And just needs something that she can kind of move up with. Like she had a Jeep Compass, a 5-speed, a 4-banger Jeep Compass. And this is kind of perfect for her. Like Annette said, she needs something safe to drive in the snow and everything. Front wheel drive is perfect for her. But she wanted to be able to, you got to give her credit. She wanted to be able to go to meets. She wanted to do this and that with it. And wants it to sound good and everything. And she wants a car to be able to show off. And this is a perfect car for her. It meets those good requirements. And she needed something cheap anyway. She needed something that she could just hop into and drive. And she needed something fast. And these cars are all over up here in Michigan. I know a lot of people say the trannies go on these things. And honestly, I know they're the same exact thing. And this doesn't make sense to me. But I know they're the exact same thing as the Grand Prix GXPs. But for some reason, the GXPs blow a lot more than the Impala SSs do. And I've heard better things about the Impala SSs than I have heard about the Grand Prix GXPs. She's got a 12-month warranty on it, everything. So like it needs a new starter. The starter works, but it's kind of worn out. And that's going to be covered. She's getting that replaced already. So everything's going to be covered, and if anything goes, it'll be covered for the next 12 months. So that deal also worked out. She got a great deal on it, and the whole thing just worked out. So I think it's a perfect car for her and everything. And I don't need to hear anything about, oh my god, that car's stupid, blah, blah, blah. I get it. It's no rear-wheel drive muscle car, but it's perfect for what she was looking for, and that's the way it is. I don't need to hear anything about, oh, you should have bought something else, or those cars are stupid or pointless or waste of a car, blah blah blah, whatever it is. So I love the car, she loves the car, and that's all that matters. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.